Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver www.gigabyte.com. After that click on search button, then enter the model number of motherboard B660I AORUS Pro DDR4 and then hit enter. Then click on product, then click on this model number of your motherboard title. After that click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 11. So both operating system installations process same. Select any which is using. So guys, first download, after that I show you how to install it. So audio driver, SD audio driver, and try to download latest, which is you can see this is that with also mentions. So SD driver and click to download icon. Then chipset, serial chipset driver and download. Then scroll down and download this one, INF installer. Click to download. LAN driver, LAN driver, internet driver, ethernet driver, you can say, and download button. VGA, graphic driver, you can say this state and click to download. WLAN and Bluetooth driver and Wi-Fi driver, download one by one. After that you can see this is download icons. To find out it is downloading, and just click to locations where it is downloading and then show you how to install. So this is your driver, so wait for complete. So guys, it is completed. So first download all driver. First select this and right click and extract all, and same locations just extract it. Okay, it will open and close it. Okay, this created this folder, you can see. Then info update, right click, extract all, extract, and same close it. You can, then this one right click and extract all, one by one do that. Then this right click, extract all, and then extract. So one by one extract all or your driver. Otherwise you can without extract and you just double click to install. But sometime we get the issues in this last. then it is done, and close it. Then just right click to refresh it. So this is your actual driver, and this is also your, but this is extracted. So guys, first open this, select, right click, and run as administrator. Then click on yes. So wait few seconds, this is installing. It will take some time. Okay, it will close automatically, means this is install it. Okay, it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then go to back, then second one, same, select and right click to administrator, run as administrator, and then yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Go back, then third one, just select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Because installations process very simple. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then fourth one, open, select, right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means install, and then come to back again. Then fifth one, same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then back, then second last, this one, and this is last. So open this, select, right click to run as administrator. After that, click on yes. So it is closed, means this is installed. Back, and last one, graphic driver, just open it, and the same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is installing driver. This is graphic card driver, display driver, monitor driver, you can say that. So it will take take some time. After install the all driver, then restart your system. Okay, restart, so important for your system after install the driver. Okay, thank you.